Welcome back to Algorithm Visualized. This is Golden Sun. So here is what we left over last time. We have a very simple Java code stack, Java source file, stack underscore a app.java, and here we have only 5 lines of code. Okay, and next we'll implement a stack class. Okay, to play the role of the stack like that. This is a stack, right? Oh, the I have to delete that, I guess. Okay, so this is stack, right? Last in, first out. Okay, now what's the connection between this guy and our data structure? Maybe I'll draw something else here. So to simulate, right, to mimic this stack. For example, we have this kind of stack. We can put a bunch of things in this stack. This is this place. Okay, now say we want to push some data into our stack. So what we can do here is, for example, the first number I want to push in is 3. Okay, so we just push in 3. So it means this guy here, right? At the bottom we have a number 3. Okay, and next we have a number like 2, or any number like 20, or or just 8. So if we want to push in this number into the stack, yeah, so the object saved in the stack can be anything, like a number, a character, or any object of Java. And now this guy is in this place, correspondingly to the middle disk here. A stack of disk here is a stack of numbers, and maybe the next one is 2. Okay, and blah blah blah. Okay, so to pop up, to get a number, an element from the stack, we have to go from the top, here. So we get a 2 out, just like that, this is 2, 2. Okay, okay, let me put it here. Then we can get the next one, 8 out. So we can use the number 8, like we can use this one somehow. And at last we have the last one element in the stack. We can push out, like that, push out, pop out. Yeah, now the stack is empty, the stack is empty. So when we let's put this back. And other than the numbers, for example, we want to save some characters, we don't have to use number. It can be any object, like a, so we can push in character A, and next one maybe W, The important feature of the stack is last in, first out. The first in, last out. Okay, Now let's make it more closer to our code. So we can use an array for internal storage. So an array is like, I'll draw in this way, right? So this is our the same stack turned 90 degrees, right? Like that. So correspondingly, we have like an array in Java. We have like those rooms, cells to store datas. Okay, so say we have a capacity of 5 for our internal array. So how do we connect this Java array, or any array, a list, in any programming language? So for example, if we push a number 3 into the stack like that, right? So the index of our array could be let me use no, I don't want to. Yeah, let me use a different color for the index of the array. Here is 0, right? It starts from 0 instead of 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So to implement a number 3, pushed into the stack, we can put a number 3 here at the index of 0, right? And next time, if we want to push in a number 7 into the stack, we go here, push in, Oh, it's too big, but I can make it smaller, I think. Yes, cool. 7. Oh, now I want to move it. Yeah. So in the computer, we can save the number 7 here in a second cell, index 1, cell the second one with index 1 here, and then the next one maybe 5. If we want to push the third number into the stack, we can save this 5 here. I don't have to put there, I can put it here. Yeah. So now, how do we pop out, from this data structure, an array, and visualize, we pop out like that. So here, how do we do that in the code, This guy. We can, so our idea is we can maintain. Now I think we can remove those things here. Wait a minute. Delete. Yeah. We can maintain something like a point, a marker, to, let's use a red color, pointing to here, like the last element in our array. So here is the top. Okay, we'll use the concept in the code. Yeah. So this is top, right? And to pop out the 5, we can simply move, right, the top to here. Then don't worry about that. So next, when we want to get the 7 out, right? Get the 7, we can just using the code, right, to get the value of this cell. And after that, we move our marker or pointer, right, pointer to here. So next time when we want to pop out the next one, we can just, right, retrieve, get this number and move this one to like -1, maybe here, index -1. Oh, undo. So I mean, yeah, here, let's say this one, like a visual one, right? Like a fake one, -1 here. So now let's do this again. So when we push, right? If we want to push 3 in, it means we then move our pointer to point to the next cell and then set the value of this cell 3. And now if we push 7 in, so we first move the pointer marker, right, the top, we can use a variable top for that, to the next cell, then set the value of this cell 7. So this might be a not perfect example because you say, oh, we already have a 5 there. No. So let's say the next we want to push in, like earn 8, right? So what will happen is, yeah, to implement the pushing of 8, what we do is we move the marker to the next cell and set the value of this one 8. Yeah, whatever here, right, the old value will be overridden, will be, yeah, it will be gone. So this is our algorithm to implement a stack. Now let's go to, yeah, I think we'll write the code in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.